Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1956 Ford Fairlane Post. We've got the owner here. I'm going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Dean?
Okay,
Cool. What a nice car.
thank you.
So what do we got under the hood on this bad boy?
It's 312 or 2.4s.
Dual quads.
Yeah, headers.
Okay,
Both cars are rebuilt.
great.
One's good.
Sitting on some American Racing torque thrust. Super straight body. Car sounds so good. It's automatic transmission.
C4.
It's got a C4 in it. Got a great stance. Love how the exhaust comes out of the bumper. That's pretty cool. Yeah, very unique. And these taillights are so retro. Kind of looks like a jet engine, you know?
Boss gonna try to duplicate it.
I think so. Nice straight body. Dean's a Ford guy through and through. How many Fords have you owned, Dean? Couple?
Yeah, at least three.
Yeah, 2 or 3. He's got his garage wall full of Fords. Interior is beautiful too. It's got a retro sound in it. Old school Tach. And some, oil, volts, water gauges down below as well. This basically was the Ford Taurus of the day. Dean, can you pop the hood?
Sure.
The wheels and tires look brand new. And how many miles you got on the tires? Not much, right?
Not a lot.
There she is. Dual quads, aluminum intake. Got some old school Reds headers. These are the ones to have.
Aluminum radiator.
Aluminum radiator. Looks like an old school one, but it's aluminum. Was that a 3-core? Keeps it nice and cool.
Yeah, you want to see something really old school?
Yeah.
Tag drive.
Huh. Wow, is that for the Sun Tach?
Yeah.
Wow. When was the last time I seen one of those? What kind of intake is that too? That looks pretty old school.
It's all factory.
And these are Weber carbs too, right?
Not sure.
Yeah, let me see.
They could be motor craft auto light also.
Thunderbird thinned aluminum valve covers. Power steering. Oh, nice and tidy under here. Super nice interior. It's black and with a cloth insert. I think that's the way they did it back in the day. Car runs great. Drives it everywhere. Showing 13,055 miles. Love that tach, very cool. Obviously a Sun Tach. It's got a vintage sound in here with the Aux-In. Nice steering wheel. No cracks or anything. Seat belts are added. Real nice headliner. Back seat's nice and tidy too. Hey, Dean, can you fire it up? The steering box has also been rebuilt. Wheels always changed. He's very fanatical with this car. Brand new gas tank too. Here's his other Ford. He's got another Ford there. And then he's got his Mustang there. Oh, nice. Sounds good. You have a CD player in the glove, I guess?
Yeah, it's in the glove box.
Cool. Great oil pressure. Runs nice and cool, huh? Especially with that new radiator.
Definitely.
I like how they do aluminum radiator and they paint it black and it looks original.
Well, I painted it black.
Oh, you did? Yeah, of course. Here's some of Dean's other cars. Pantera, we're selling that right now. Fairlane, there's his wagon. Thinks he could beat me that in the Tesla. He doesn't know how fast Teslas are. It's like a Chevy 50. Oh, there's his Fairlane. Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. So, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.